Hey guys, welcome to Digital Tips. In this video I'm going to show you how to download Adobe Premiere Pro for free. Open your browser, copy and paste the link that you are going to find in the video description. You have to complete the reCAPTCHA. I'm not a robot. Press continue at the bottom. Now you have to wait 10 seconds. After 10 seconds, press on get link. Now it's going to redirect you to the page where you can download it. Press download as zip. Make sure that you have an unzipper, and now you wait until the download is complete. Okay, after it's finished downloading, open File Explorer, unzip it, open it, open Setup, select your language and your location, and press continue, and now let it install. Okay, after it's installed, press close, and just search it, Premiere Pro, let it load. Okay, and as you can see, it's very real. It's Premiere Pro. And yeah, thank you for watching Digital Tips. Comment, like, subscribe, and I see you guys later. Bye.